Well, welcome back. Here's a quick little video on restoring some plastic. I'm going to try an unusual technique here, and I'm going to use this little toy car made by Tootsie Toy and Strombecker, and it's from the 70s and early 80s, made of polypropylene, and as you can see, it's got some severe UV damage, and I thought I'd use it as a test bench to try this technique and see if I can't restore it back up to make it look almost brand new. This plastic is very chalky, and this is pretty common with a lot of different plastics if they've been set out in the sun for a long time, such as this. This one got left outside, obviously, for a long time before it got brought back inside. Well, anyway, let's get started. Okay, this technique centers around using some type of oil to rejuvenate the plastic. Now, I got this idea from watching some automotive blogs where they used peanut butter to restore exterior trim on more modern cars, specifically black trim, which is ABS. Now, this is polypropylene. I know this from the packaging that this car came in originally. But I thought I'd use this vegetable oil. Since peanut butter is peanut oil, they're both legumes, and this is made from soybeans. So let's give this a shot. We're going to dunk it in here, leave it for about 6 hours, and pull it out and see what it looks like. Now, I'm not expecting it to just totally come out magically clean, but I want to see if it shines up the plastic that isn't chalky, and if it makes the chalky plastic easier to remove. Okay, we're taking it out of the oil. We'll wipe it off, wash it off with some soap and water, and here's what it looks like. Now, it may not look like a drastic change on camera, but believe me, it does look shinier, and this is after washing it off. However, let's see if it's easier to shine up that old plastic and get that chalky UV degraded plastic off. That's what we're going to do next. Now, I'm very simply just using some steel wool, some medium and fine. So it's triple aught and quadruple aught steel wool in grades. And I'm just rubbing it all over this little toy. And this has a lot of detail, recesses, and stuff that you're going to lose some definition. But that's natural because you got to remove a layer of that old rotten plastic. I'm also going to use a little dental pick here to sort of scrape that chalky plastic off. And I can tell you right now, versus doing this without soaking it in the oil, this chalky plastic seems to be softened up and it rubs right off, and then the shiny, non-degraded plastic is underneath. So I think this looks pretty good. Now here's essentially what the finished product looks like. Now I only did half, and I did that on purpose so you could see the before and after right side by side. Now obviously I have more to do to finish this up in the little creases and crevices with the dental pick, but I was quite surprised at how well the oil and steel wool worked to really shine up this old plastic. I've done this in the past with some other things, not using this technique, and shining up and restoring old plastic has always been very labor intensive, but I feel this was a lot easier, and I attribute that to using the vegetable oil. However, I'd like to know your techniques, or if there's a different oil or a different substance that may be soaking to rejuvenate and rehydrate the plastic works even better. So I'd like you to leave a comment and tell me your techniques or something that you've found that helps out in restoring plastic, because I still haven't found the perfect method. I know this wasn't a long, in-depth video, but it was one I was working on and I wanted to try out and thought I'd show you guys what I came up with. Like I said, it's a modification of another process that I saw from somebody else. So thanks for watching, subscribe, like this video, and thanks for watching.